Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trader. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
What is going on? OGs, Otter gang. I think I lost my voice. You know when you lose your voice and then all of a sudden it sounds like you got a radio voice? That's what I got. I ain't putting this on. This is just... Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Otter gang. I was at the hockey game with Trader Geo yesterday. I do my voice sounds like I've like gone down into like this different pitch. I feel like I'm like I added bass. Which just sounds weird to me, but I was at the hockey game yesterday, and obviously we won because the Leafs are amazing, and me and Trader Geo had a mandate, and it was pretty awesome. We had a great time. Trader Geo treated me to a hockey game, and trust me, a Leafs hockey game. Your seats are like $600 a pop. It's absolutely crazy. And me and Trader Geo, we really see eye to eye because we're both about 5'4". So it was a great time, and we had lots of fun. We have some videos. We were on the Jumbotron, like the big screen. We were on the big screen. I'm gonna get that clip. Geo actually caught it on camera. I'm gonna get that off of him today. But it was good times. Oh man, but my voice is gone, and now you get the husky sled dog voice. You know, husky as in I got like 9 huskies out back and a sled. So if I need to go to the store, I just jump on my sled, say mush, and off we go. Let's go. Oh, man. 104K. Says Dusty Hunt, says 104K in deep voice. This is like normal. Like if I try to talk 104K. I do have a bunch of sled dogs out back. in Canada, you need them to get around in the snow. It's essential. It's essential, especially when you need to go and pick up some more ice cubes for your igloo, and you need to replace some because your fire in your igloo's gone out, and you need to get you started to melt the blocks, you know, and then your snowmobile's broken down, and you've ran out of maple syrup. You're not able to. You're not. I have a pit husky mix. Oh my god, that would be a handful. Like, I love both dogs, but that would be a handful. That would be a very big handful, but amazing. I want to get a Dobe. I had a German Shepherd Collie mix growing up. Best dog ever. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning to every one of you guys. Thank you for hanging out. We are just making all-time highs. We are making a new high here, which is pretty incredible. Okay. Remember the warning that was given to you. If we blast off and we sweep this high, okay, if we get a big rejection from here, I see us coming all the way back down here. Okay, that was the idea. Okay, so big push here, and inauguration, all that good stuff. Maybe it's not even close to being priced in. They're trying to price it in now. I don't know. Obviously, none of us know, but we are taking this high here, creating a higher high on a downtrend. So now we can definitely be looking within here. But if we are to sweep and dump, we could be creating bearish divergence, which typically would bring us down quite aggressively. Okay, so these are things we got to watch for, I would suggest. Okay, no trade as yet. This is a sell zone. Am I selling? No, I'm not. I'm not fading this just yet. I would like to see some sort of structure break this morning. So if we see structure break, then we can go. But right now, there's no sense in fading this right now. I mean, we were looking last night for a potential short in our Discord. And obviously, it's been up only since, right? Just massive amounts of liquidity creating on the way up here. Okay. So patience will prevail. Up only is kind of a thing right now. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. And I hope you enjoy my new radio voice, because this is Alex O Crypto and the Otter Gang. How are you guys doing with your trading this week? I mean, did you guys enjoy that long I gave you yesterday, or what? Tell me you guys loved that long. I know I got out. I re-entered. Okay, I re-entered on the higher low. I took quite a nice juicy profits on the way up yesterday. Let me know. We caught the bottom yesterday. Like, you cannot ask for, I don't know what else you want from me. So I don't know why there's only 40 likes in here, but we'll work on that. We absolutely crushed it yesterday with the long. I got knocked out. I re-entered later on though. I was able to re-enter on the higher low over in here. Oops, let's skip that back. So obviously, we longed down in here. Whew, what a call yesterday. My God, what a call yesterday. If you're in that long, make sure you pay yourself, but juicy. Calling that long from down here at 97,400. I mean, you'd be up a lot, 6%. You'd be laughing. I re-entered on the higher low, took it up to here, got out. So I made nice juicy profits yesterday. Then I went to the Leafs game and spent it all. So pretty wild. A pretty amazing entry. Amazing call. I put stop loss to entry, which was a mistake in hindsight. However, you can't be mad at catching the bottom, can you? So that was pretty cool. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning, Finn. Good morning, Rashad. Good morning, Trobius. I don't know. I love you, too, about your Adam Sandler comment. Hi, KO. Tony Soprano. Good to see you. Airdropper, Dragonfly, Joe Ruiz. Lorelei, good morning. Such a great way to wake up. Thank you for being here, Lorelei. I appreciate you. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. I appreciate you saying that every morning, too. Forget about it. Spyros, good morning. Gains for Life, Wolf and Bear, Luke Zaldana, Quasim, good morning to you guys. Thank you for being here as well. G Corp, Roaming Brave, Crypto Thomas. Good to see you guys all here. The gang rap, yeah, Otter gang. Morning, Sniper's Nightmare. Hope you're doing well, man. Hopefully the NHS works better. I know they're slow. Free healthcare is slow. Canada, it's just as bad. There's doctors in Canada right now who have like auctions to get in as a family doctor. It's absolutely chaos. Joan, good morning. John Foster Crypto, Sylvian, good to see you. The Dusty Hunt, Crypto Pondering, John Foster Crypto, French Toaster. We don't need to put French Toaster in a timeout today. We'll let him be. We'll let him be. If you start misbehaving, French Toaster, we might have to take you out. Okay. Almighty Zeus, good morning. Good morning. Good to see you. Al Jr. Darren does things, my man. Good to see you, bro. Good morning, Jesse. Good luck. Good morning, Shark Vin. Puck, yeah. Let's go. Bass drop. Ernie, what's going on, man? Slam Banjo, BC Port Corp, Snipers Academy in here. Now you just need lifts in your shoes. Yeah, man. I want to, like, I got a 4Runner. And, like, yesterday we had a lot of snow, and, like, it's fun in the snow. 4x4 in the snow, just ripping it around. I want to get it lifted, but I wouldn't be able to get into the truck, Sniper. I need a ladder to get into my own truck. So it's hard enough already. It's hard enough. Maybe I get some Cuban heels, you know? Slam Banjo. Good to see you, Beef Boy. French Toaster. Tino Networks. Good morning. Where is Bitcoin going? Who's even buying at this rate? Yeah, it's pretty overextended. Is this your sexy time voice you're hitting us with today? No, that's only for Mrs. Otter. I'm sorry. I don't have a, what is it called? Pillow talk. I do not have a pillow talk voice. I have lost my voice. So you're stuck with me like this right now. George Shan, good to see you as well. Paper Planes, Jesse, good luck. Good to see you guys. Yeah, seeing what's going on. Good to see you, bro. It's not in an igloo. You have no idea. I might be in an igloo, man. I got the green screen on right now. You can't see. Greetings from London. Good day. You all right? You all right? Bleemin' L. My wife said Bleemin' L yesterday. I was like, that is way too British for this. I've got a red Doberman. That's beautiful, man. Yeah, I love Dobes. Dobes are cool, man. Dobes are amazing. I had 3, yeah. It's a lot of work, but a lot of work. I know that. I mean, I had a Shepherd Collie. I know what a lot of work is with a dog. So, Shepherd Collie though, Josie, she was amazing. My hairy sister, I used to call her. God bless her. She was a great dog. Frisbee dog. She used to love Frisbee, man. Wouldn't irony be to dump on Orange Day? Yeah, I think, it could be a big rug show if we don't get what we want. If we don't get any announcements. Imagine we get no announcements on Monday for crypto. It's all about taking Canada as the 51st state and then taking Greenland, deporting immigrants, and he forgets about crypto. Thank God it's Friday. Good morning. Good morning, Chantel. Good morning, J-Mag. Good morning, Wick589. Good to see you. Good to see you. Rhinoc, good morning, man. Good to see you. Paul Caruso as well. Vámonos. Let's go. Getting a rejection from our key level in here. Double top. Rolling over. Hopefully break the structure. We'll see if we get it. Come down, break the structure in here. Okay, this line in here is the previous high. Okay, so if we can break through here and retest, we can look to break down. We also got this trend line coming up in here. Okay, so momentum to the upside hasn't been broken, so this is continuation. We can possibly look for continuation, retesting. So whenever you get aggressive price action, you can pull like an oscillator onto your chart. And we're obviously above VWAP. VWAP's down in here. So we can be looking for, I always like to retest order blocks. So something like in here on the way up. So if we come back, retest and go, that's very possible. We break structure, retest, bearish divergence, even sweep at the highs. Okay, so there's some options in here. I don't want to just assume direction though. assuming direction can get you into trouble. So trading is waiting. We wait. Farside Moon, good to see you as well. John, Dean, Dinelli Dean, good morning to you. Porito, Farside Moon, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Anonymous Mo2, good to see you as well. Glory Wolf, Gert, Captain Pancakes, good morning to you guys. Maybe a Band-Aid. French Toaster, Kisher Official, good morning. HBBBL, Hodl Crypto, good to see you guys as well in here. Thank you so much for being here. 240 people in here. 81 likes. We caught the bottom yesterday. I mean, that was a pretty awesome trade. Sparky Loft, Ryan H. Is this not a good short? So when we've pushed up this aggressively, right, to fade this right now is kind of, it's not stupid, but it's stupid, right? It's like we have key levels on the way up here. We have some more above us as well. We have just mitigated that high. Okay, so we've taken the liquidity out of this high way over here. Sorry, I should be on a higher term time frame, but we've mitigated this high in here of this previous higher high. We have obviously cleared out of this downwards trend line. If we go on a higher term time frame, we always got to zoom out, right? So we have definitely put in the higher high. This has been up only, very aggressive. Whew, 15% almost. Okay. So if we sweep and dump, this could be very, very, very painful. Okay. Because of just how structurally we've gone up. Look, this was less steep over here, and look what happened, right? So we want to see more constructive price action, right? Even though we did come back here. Maybe we won't come back. We don't know this. We gave the long from here yesterday, so you guys should be happy. You guys should make some money. I don't know what else I can give you. I give you everything. I give you everything I have. Overextended here on the 4, the 3, and the 2, okay? So getting really, overextended. This is possibly a short opportunity. I just want more confirmation, okay? We look at our higher term time frames. The daily still got room. I mean, still got room. The 2 days still got lots of room. 3 days still got tons of room. We do have news coming out in 13 minutes. It's not a biggie. Building permits, housing starts, okay? Not a biggie. But it's news nonetheless. Yeah, so want to see some weakness in here. There is no sign of weakness here, no sign of slowing down. So I would like to see that before I just justify pressing buy or sell, or pressing sell. Pressing buy is a different story. We look to possibly get back on the trend. Even though we have momentum here, we can look for some sort of retest of previous highs and continuation. Not necessarily going to jump in right away, right? It typically gives you a little bit of an opportunity to kind of get in, okay? So we'll see. Just want to be patient here. It's Friday, baby. We got 300 people in here, 95 likes. I have lost my voice at the hockey game, so bear with me. I slept well. I sound like a whole different human. Love the show. Tuning in from Glasgow, Glaswegian. I would love to hear your accent. I lived in Edinburgh for over a year, NS. So shout out to my Scottish friends. I lived over in Edinburgh on Morningside. I love Scotland. Just there's no sunshine. That's the problem. That's why we didn't stay. I would have stayed there. I mean, castle in your backyard was pretty cool. So I love Scotland. Thank you for tuning in. Good to see you. Okay, nice sweep of the lows coming in here. Some volume picking up. Little volume spike in here, coming back, grabbing the late longs. Lots of structure down in here, double top, coming down. Okay. Nothing yet. We wait. I like the volume spike in here. We have volume spike up, volume spike down, recovering halfway down the candle. Sheesh, this is This is a lot. This is a lot. This is pretty exciting, man. The problem is the rip saw, right? Like whip, right? So if you were long here, right, you're getting squeezed pretty quickly. So we need to be prepared for that. Maybe if you are not sure, you should possibly consider reducing your size, right? Reducing size is always a good way to kind of manage this crap when price is ripping one way or the other. Okay, coming down to this low here. If we lose this low here, I will be looking for a retest short. No long yet. I would like to see some sort of structure in here, and then we could possibly long. Okay, just waiting. We'll see what happens. I was going to do top-down analysis, and then the volume picked up, so I can't write the rules. So rolling over here, overextended here. Let me just check our 12. We're obviously going to get multiple counts of bearish divergence. See, I want to see that trigger wave. That would be better. You don't see that yet. Okay. You just have increasing. All right. Everything's pointing up right now. Don't want to fade this. Don't want to fade this just yet without confirmation. Okay. I'd love to short this thing down to zero. Maybe I hung out with Trader Geo too much last night, but good guy. Really good guy. Had a lot of fun. Wick 589, no dirty talk. This just awkwardly, quietly flopping and groping. Charles Bronson. Let's go. Sound analysis every AM. Thank you so much, Wick. I appreciate you, bro. God bless you. Hopefully you're having a wonderful Friday. Maureen thought you're funny. Or Dave Digital. Maureen, good morning to you. Good to see you. Thank you for being morning from the UK. Good morning. Good to see you as well. Bird next door. I see you in there. Turn up or down today. Stripo. We think I would lean more down, but it's kind of stupid to fade this. Just a sub Tesla man. Good to see you. Yo, how are you, bro? I'm good, man. I went to the hockey game last night with Trader Geo. I lost my voice because we were screaming and having a good time. It's Friday. We had a very profitable week. Very happy with the results. Very happy with the trading. I mean, can't complain about catching that bottom yesterday. I was able to re-enter on that sweep down into here. So we got the 97,400, and then we got a retest. I got on again at 98,000. Rode this puppy up. Got out in here. I could have let that thing ride, but you know, I was watching hockey, baby. So a beautiful trade. A couple beautiful trades within here as well. Quick little scalps. Take your money and run trades, but nonetheless, it's been a wonderful week. Truly blessed to come out and hang out with you guys and try to make some money, solve these markets. Never an easy task, but it's always a welcomed challenge. So thank you for asking. Jeffrey Stonecipher, you looked far away from the ice. We were in the bottom bowl, just up. So it was pretty good. It was a pretty good seat in the corner there. So if this was your arena, here's your hockey rink. Here's your first bowl. Here's your second bowl, right? Here's your nosebleeds, right? We were right in here. So it was pretty good. It looked far because of the camera, right? Either if you're going to be second bowl, you want to be like center. Like you want to be center right here. That's kind of the best spot. But yeah, we were like right here. So it was pretty dope seats. I mean, it's a Leafs game. You go and look up Leafs tickets, man. The team that hasn't won a cup since 1967 charge you $800 a seat, man. It's crazy. It's crazy. Rolling over here, continuing to push down. Okay, let's see if it mitigates this low. Nice rollover this morning, double top. Coming down, a little trigger wave in here. Okay, nothing yet. Trading is waiting. Thank you guys for smashing up those like buttons. I see those likes climbing. 116 likes. You guys are incredible. Good morning, Wayne C. Good morning, the dude. I'm going to take Canada and Greenland. Oh, wait. I'll ignore the insertion of rich on company accounts. It's so true, man. I don't know. The only reason why I would like to be part of the U.S. is for tax purposes. That's about it. I would think we would retest that trend line. Yeah. Yeah, most likely coming back into here. VWAP is down below us as well. Okay, lots of liquidity created in these lows, but pretty constructive price action. I mean, if we zoom out, it's not very constructive, but we'll see how it goes. If we mitigate the low in here, we sweep, bounce up, and then we can go. That would be cool. If we hold the low in here, then we can look for a higher low and continuation if we get it. Just waiting here. Got volume spiking up. We have volume pushing up and volume decreasing now. So we can anticipate volume decreasing, meaning price probably rolling over on volume decretion. So if we do, have a push back here and we look for this, we could be looking to take that short in here as well if we do get that opportunity, okay? Just keeping that ready. Trading is waiting, baby. So thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. You guys are incredible. If you are new here, we go live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m., okay? And we live trade on in the morning, hanging out with you guys, trying to make some money, baby. And it's always a good time. We've been very successful in the last 2 months, 3 months. I mean, last month, what is it? 19 for 22 or something like that, 23. So, we do take losses, which is what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to be able to take losses. That's why you practice good risk management. We've been 4 for 4 this week. Great week this week. A couple quick scalps, caught the bottom. So it's been a good time here, hanging out with you guys and making money and all that good stuff. Let's continue through the chat here. I apologize for my voices. Good morning, everyone. Just want to say thank you, Alex, for being here again every day and teach us what you want, what you know. We appreciate you a lot. Love comments like that, bro. Cole. Thank you so much for being kind. This is a community built on kindness. No douche canoes allowed. And the Otter gang. So it's the only gang you don't have to do anything bad to be in. Okay, it's a pretty awesome gang. If you do get liquidated, though, that's your choice. This is never financial advice. Just a hobbit here on the internet talking about otters and hanging out with Dave Digital, man. Red die number 3. Yeah, we won't go down that road, man. We're not gonna go down red die number 3, okay? Any data today? Yes, we do have data in 3 minutes. So we got I forgot. We do have building permits coming out and housing starts in 2 minutes. So we'll see. I don't think this is too significant, but it's still news. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. Vit Bell, good morning. NS, good morning. Morningside, awesome. I didn't expect that. Yeah, man. Yeah, right near the braids. Right near the braids. I used to go skateboarding in Stockton. Yeah, man. Good times. I loved Edinburgh. Also, we did like Inverness. We went all over the place, man. But if you NS, are you one of those people with the very strong Glaswegian accents, man? Because I can't understand a damn word you guys are saying. Good to see you, Dave Digital, Mythical, Retro, Mike Tech in the chat. What's going on, bro? Good to see you as well. God bless everybody in here. Wick 589. We need an Alex O crypto poem this fine morning. Maybe we get one. Paul Caruso. 1 minute till this news comes out. Sorry, am I blocking your view? I apologize. Okay, so pushing back up. Not mitigating the low yet. Just chilling in here. We could try to fade this right now, right? Not for me. Not for me. A little bit slow, decreasing volume into the news, right? We're not going to take the trade into the news. Any good hockey fights last night? No good fights, but like we had a comeback victory. It was a 4-3 game, so it was actually like pretty and it was 2 2-1 going into the third period, so it was actually a really good game. Some good hits. Less fighting in hockey now, which kind of sucks, but still good fun. Still good fun. Really good game. And we won. So you always like a good win. And it's against our old coach. So our old coach got fired last year, and we kicked their ass. So that's always a good thing. Gio reminds me of Lifer. Brags way too much. Gio's a great person, man. I don't hate on anybody. We always try to be kind to everybody in this channel. So Gio's a great trader, man. We definitely break all-time highs this weekend. Hi, Alex. Still sore. I got out yesterday. It's long. Yeah, I re-entered, so hopefully we can help you develop the skills to help you re-enter on something like that. Okay, so like the re-entry on yesterday's trade. Let's just wait for the news first. Okay, I think we got it anyways. Yeah, so it came in here. It came above and above. So both things came in positively, not really affecting price action, okay? But yes, we gave the long here. Let's zoom in on 3 minute. It happened so quick, right? So we gave the long, entered here, stopped out on the retest here. Your entry is either here. Sorry, your entry is either here or here. Okay, the confirmation of that is the break of structure, higher low, continuation. Okay, so that's what you would be looking for on yesterday. Okay, so if you're zoomed in yesterday and you're over here, right? So we got long off the bull div in the bullish engulfing candle on the 1 minute. Okay, so I saw 1 minute, I saw strength. This is where we got long. Okay, so we got long here, stop loss to entry, got knocked out, and then it ran. Okay, big run. I was able to re-enter. Let me see. Was it this low? I re-entered at 97,760. 760. So I re-entered right here. On the continuation, right? Because you break structure here, right? You got your bull div, your break of structure, your continuation. So you're looking for another higher low, right? So you're just waiting for the higher low to come in. Your next candle up, you get long. Stop loss below this low or this low, depending on your size. And then I was able to trade that back up into the range. Okay, then you can target back up to here very easily, which obviously we hit. But hopefully you learn the skills here as well. Like you take the signals, and obviously calling here and then getting stopped out is annoying. But you hopefully in time you guys can all learn to identify trend, continuation, bull divs in here, and make that money for yourself. Okay. Pretty easy re-entry, right? A pretty easy way. As long as you're managing your risk, right? You should not have any issues with re-entering on this move back up. I mean, I got back out at the median of this range. If you take, volume profile in here and just looking to get back in, V-shaped recovery, continuation, and onwards and upwards you go, right? Okay, push back here. Nice pushback coming in. Okay, no mitigation of the low in here, continuation up. So double bottom, break structure to the upside. Not a lower low in here though. Equal lows, continuation. So we could be looking for the long here as well. It's very overextended, so I'm definitely going to be taking profits early on a long setup here. VWAP down below us here. If we sweep up into these highs in here, okay, we could be looking for the bear div, bring us down. But a little bit of patience here is going to prevail. In my opinion, you never know. Markets can be quite irrational sometimes, especially with this up-only business lately. So thank you, everybody, for being here. Wait, Alex does analysis on sound? He said verbal romance, and I spilled my coffee. Let's go. You play hockey? Yeah, I love hockey, man. I am way better on skates than I am on my feet. Let's put it that way. I'm How much have I earned this week on the live trading? A good chunk. A good chunk. I'd have to go and look at that. Leg up. Let's see if we get that leg up. I'm guessing short at 103.8. We'll see. Good morning, Ninja. Good morning, Shiver. Hopefully you're keeping warm. Toshi, good morning as well. Go St. Louis Blues. Yeah, you guys have won recently, so that's a plus. But St. Louis is not looking too great this year. Good morning, buongiorno. Buongiorno, come stai? Charbel, what's going on? New to your channel, I joined after Kina P. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing, everybody. Would anybody really miss Greenland? Well, after Cohen's recommended you, hello from Lebanon. Thank you for being here. True RMT chart. Hi, Cherbil. I have a friend in Beirut. Let's go. Popcat ripping this morning. Let's go, Popcat. Dragonfly Jesse, Retro Mike Tech, Killy, Paul Caruso. Good to see you guys in here. Spies looking strong. Absolutely. You guys all love your hockey. I know you love your hockey. Alex, you legitimately explain this better than any other crypto YouTube, would word for word allow us to learn easily, and that says a lot because I listen to at least 5 different people daily. Thank you for being here, John Foster. I just try to keep it simple, man. I grew up at Ranger games with my dad at the Garden. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Nothing like an original 6 hockey team, man. Original 6 hockey team. Boston, New York, Detroit. Everybody in the UK laughs how we say Detroit. It's Detroit. Thank you, great TA. Thank you, Dragonfly, for being here. Montreal. Good times, man. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Spies looking strong. Jesse knows. Almighty Zeus. Be kind, people. That's it. Good morning. Good morning. Shark Fin Lifers is going to be huge. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I love people to win, man. It's good. It's good, man. People deserve to win. It's not a me versus you. I think it's everybody has their own style. Everybody brings a different flavor, I guess you'd say, to the industry, I love them all, man. You're not gonna grow and prosper in this game if you're trying to trash other people. Right? The thing is you want to be competitive, you want to try your best, you want to show up, you want to have integrity, and that's it. At the end of the day, consistency, honesty, transparency, building a community of kind people. I think that's always been my goal. So, good morning, Plywood. Let's go. Let's go. These jokes are great. Housing permits up. Yes. Greenland, loads of minerals. Yeah, that's what they're after. I mean, aren't they owned by the Danish? The people who taste good? Danishes taste good, man. Danishes is my kryptonite, baby. Okay, a little bear flag coming down in here. Nothing yet. I can hear my wife and son doing something. I wonder what they're... It sounds like is he walking already? Bram, good morning to you. Thank you for saying hello. Wick 589. Where's my poem today? Crypto Creek. I got the voice for it today. Wick 589. I'm new. Any advice? Yeah. Manage your risk. I always suggest starting with 3 things. Get an oscillator. An oscillator will help you learn some basic price action, support and resistance, Fibonacci, volume profiles. Just pick 3 and get good at them, and then pick another 3 and get good at them. And then, but whatever you do, if you're trading, you need to do this the best. This is your number 1 job right here, is to protect yourself before you wreck yourself. You got to make sure you're using good risk management, risking only 1% of your account per trade, making sure that you have longevity in the game enough to learn and grow. Okay, rolling over here, coming to mitigate the low. Let's see if we sweep it. I do like this little sweep. I would be looking. We're looking here. Little sweep coming in here. We'll see if we do bounce. If we get a nice bounce, we could be possibly looking for a little long in here. A little long. A little long. Oh, yeah, it's Friday, baby. Let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got 400 people on the live stream hanging out with Alex O Crypto with his radio voice because I lost it at the hockey game yesterday. And the more I try to speak up, the deeper it goes. Nice wick in here. I might take a stab here. I might take a stab in here. Let's get long. I'm going to take a long right now. And jump in. Stop loss below the wick. I like that sweep. Let's see if we bounce. Jump in here. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You got to go. You got to go, baby. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Yep. You got to go. I like that sweep. That was a good sweep. Continuation. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. A little bit more. A little bit more. Let's go. Got to go. Get above that high, please. Get above that high. Come on. We got to go here. Here's where we got to go. We got to push this thing. I want to see it get higher here. I'm going to take some off right here. Stop loss to entry. Stop loss to entry. Let's go, Bitcoin. I'm going to put my stop loss just underneath here. Okay, we just realized $130. All right. We'll see if we do continue here. $130 up right now. I like that sweep. Let's go. Got to go higher, baby. We going higher. How high can we go? You never know. We're long right now. Quick 130. All right. Quick 130. Okay. There it is. There it is, baby. Let's go. Got to push Bitcoin. Got to go. Okay. Stop loss is a little bit higher now. I'd say it's right here now. Looking for the continuation here. GG's, everybody. Hopefully that wasn't too quick for you guys, but sometimes, I can't always hold your hand. I can't always hold your hand. We got to make money together, right? Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Retested the highs. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me. Nice trade. Thank you, Crypto Caveman. Good morning, GG's. OGs in the chat. OGs. Let's go, Otter gang. Let's go. Push. Push. a nice sweep in here, right? We didn't come mitigate this low. We said we were looking for this. See the volume come in, sweep of the low, easy long. Easy long. Stop loss is just below here. Not fully break even, but I mean, you can push a break even if you want. We're long. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live, even though I've lost my voice. You guys are incredible. Yes, I am in this trade. I need more coffee, man. See if it does want to continue here. Little battle. How old is your son? My son's 5 months, man. 5 months. Am I hungover? No, no. I don't drink at all. So I was at the Leafs game last night, a hockey game with Trader Geo. It's good times. Time too short? Possibly. We could get the SFP up at the highs here. We'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Good morning to everybody. Go Nashville Preds. Yeah, the Preds are pretty sick. You guys got Steven Stamkos. You guys are spoiled, man. And you got oh, he was on the Leafs. I love him. Country guy, big beard. Oh, man. Lost for words. Bam Triggers. Any new advice? Yeah. Stay here, learn, paper trade. We'll see if we keep pushing here. This is looking a little bit uncertain. Let's call it uncertain. Risk it for the brisket. Let's go, baby. ETH is tanking. Okay, so that's something to keep our eyes on. Jesse, good luck. Tamale, good morning to you. Wick, see. Wayne C. Tamale, no stop loss keeps the anxiety at maximum propulsion. Is that the plan, Tamale? Steve Hickey, good morning, good to see you. Dave Digital. DDT just posted confirmed 90-minute SFP. Ooh-wee. 90 minutes though. We on the 3 minute and the 1 minute. So time is always so important, right? So are we sweeping the highs or are we going to continue? That's the question, right? Is this our sweep? I don't know if this is a valid sweep. We haven't put in a lower low. Can we continue up? Maybe we come back for one more and then we go. Maybe we come down here and break this, right? We now have a higher low. So for me, it's can we continue? Our trend is our friend. And that's why we took the long. We said if we didn't break this, we said we'd look for something in here. If we got it, we'd take it. And we did it. We did it. So right now it's kind of stalling out as expected when you're trading at, quarter to 9. You can expect a little bit slower price action, which is fine. The good thing is that we got on this and it moved. Okay, we got in and it moved and it put in a higher high. That's the good sign of this trade. So far so good. We've realized some profits and we'll see where it goes. There's more trades to come as per usual, but we're in it, baby. We're in it. We've taken some money. We continue to wait to see if it does want to continue, okay? Pretty awesome. If it comes back in here, I might close it out. We can always look to re-enter. Okay, this is a pretty good entry for now. Just down at the lows in here, so we'll see how it materializes. We have decreasing volume, which is somewhat concerning. Why? Because you tend to divert, and when you divert coming up here making higher highs, you're guaranteed you're going to be making lower lows on your oscillator. So as you continue to push, right, like we were talking about before, you're going to end up, your oscillator is going to look like this, right? And then eventually your oscillator is going to look like this, and you're going to get a divergence. So you're going to get a higher high, right? And you're going to get a lower low. And that's going to bring you down probably to at least somewhere in here, right? So you always got to be aware of that stuff because it can come back to nip you in the bud, right? So I'm going to close this out here. I'm pretty happy with this for now. I'm going to close this. Can always make more. Quick $150. GG's, everyone. Okay. And close this out. Quick 150. Look for another one. Not trying to fight it today, right? We're very overextended. Okay? Very overextended. So take our money and run. Kind of where I'm at. SFP for the win, yeah. Easy SFP. Yeah. Very nice. Not saying this can't continue. It could. I'm not managing your greed, managing because what happens when it doesn't, right? What happens when it doesn't stop loss to entry? You're not guaranteeing yourself any profits for all that risks that you just put on, right? So let's go, everybody. Thank you for being here. Go, go, baby. Yeah, it looks higher low coming in here. Like you could definitely push. But we need to zoom out, right? It's always important zooming out, understanding where we're at, right? There's lots of room on these higher term time frames, right? 12 hours getting a little bit overextended, right? So we could be looking for this bearish divergence coming in here. Okay, that's the concern. So overextended here, right? So keeping an eye out for that. Going into the weekend, into inauguration, this has been absolutely like rocket ship to the moon. Okay, so patience will prevail. Getting overextended here, right? Topping, sweeping this high, right? So we have now put in a correction. You put in a higher high. So what do you typically look for? You look for a retrace back into this area here and then a continuation out. Okay. But if we sweep this aggressively, which we are, right, and we were talking about this in the Discord, if you sweep this aggressively, it could be quite detrimental to price action because this is not constructive at all. It's very impulsive. So if we sweep, we could be coming back down into these lows for one more sweep, and then we go. Okay, so a couple of, I would say, warning signs with this price action because this is very, very aggressive. Okay, look at this thing. It has not calmed down, right? We had that sweep. We caught that low yesterday on the live stream. So if you are new here, subscribe. Would love for you to come and join us here. I mean, you're getting spoon-fed setups constantly, but I mean, all you have to do is hang out with us and put up with me. I'm sometimes a little bit over the top. I think it's just my construction humor. A good close. I mean, coming back down to the lows here. Okay, so I think that was a good close. Good to see everybody in here. Hold long to 114,000. Possible, yeah. It's not my trading style to hold too long. Okay, nice trade. Thank you, Crypto Caveman. Yeah, so we'd be pretty much break even right now. So it's like we closed it out here. We've taken profits up here. Quick 150. On to the next one, right? You want to collect, little slices, right? Little pieces of bread, whatever, breadcrumbs out of this market. You want to catch this. You want to catch this, right? You want to catch this. Adds up, right? Your home runs will come. The home runs will come. Yesterday was a home run, right? Yesterday, if you just stayed in that long, I mean, that's a home run, baby. That's 6%. That's a home run. You get in at these little breadcrumb entries, right? Like if we just had that trade and it just started to run, we're laughing, right? We've only taken half out. We got 50 grand on it. And we're continuing to rip, right? Easy money. And we have key levels all the way up that we are looking for. This is a rejection level, so we're well aware of that, but we have all these levels that we can target if we start to rip, but no rip. Good close. Okay, very good close. Rolling over here. Let's see if we mitigate this low. We're coming back for it again. Okay. Good job, everybody. GG's on your money if you did take that trade. Thank you, everybody, for being here, subscribing to the channel. We're well on our way to 5,888 subscribers. That's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. Thank you guys for hanging out, man. I like the 888. 8 is my favorite number, by the way. I'm born March 18th as well, so The Great Eight, Alexander the Great. That's Alexander Ovechkin, Washington Capitals. One of the best hockey players around. Old man Winter now. Amazing hockey player, though. Thank you, everybody, for being here, though. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me on a Friday. If you are new here and you do want to take your trading a bit further, okay, a bit further, we do have an amazing Discord, okay, full of like-minded traders trying to help you guys be profitable. $1 a day for the membership. This is the cheapest it will ever be, in my opinion. I think we are very underpriced. You have 4 different traders, real good people, not just people who give you signals, but good people, kind people, updates, live TA shows, a huge schedule. We're doing a live today. Amazing setups, amazing people, amazing community. If you do want to come and hang out with us, we have a sale on $1 a day. Come and hang out in the Otter gang. We'd love to have you. You get updates from me, trade setups from me, live streams from me, teaching lessons, all recordings, all that good stuff. Anything you would expect from a premium Discord, you can get from us. So very attentive, small community, always trying to help you guys on your trading journeys. So if you do want to come over and hang out with us, I would love to have you. The only rule is be kind and don't be a douche canoe. If you're a douche canoe, I don't need your $30. Trust me. We're well okay, if that's a way to say it. So come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Thank you for being here on the live stream with me. 480 people here, 170 likes. Thank you guys for smashing those like buttons, hanging out with me here. We'll see if we do come down and mitigate this low. If we can, look for a rollover. Interesting price action here. So up only. Do we come back and retest? I would like to see us come back and retest 100,000, like 105. I think that's the key area that I'm looking at. We do have VWAP down below us. This has been, 2% up. Yeah, easily coming back down here. Where's dominance right now? So dominance, we enjoyed the break of structure in here, breaking down to the low, so we can come back into this area in here and still continue down. Okay, so that's looking okay. I like that break. I was also looking at, what was Geo talking to me about? We were talking about USDT dominance make or break level last night, Geo and I, during the Leafs game. So USDT, I know Tony Soprano watches this pretty closely, but you can see here we have a kind of a make or break on the USDT. Okay, as we can see, it's rolling over here. So can we continue to, come back down to these lows in here? Okay, but nice rollover on USDT dominance, meaning people are holding more crypto than they are dollars, which is bullish. Okay, so nice rollover here, keeping our eyes on the prize, right? Right now, Bitcoin rolling over, so possibly we should have been looking for that short there. It's still trying to hold this low. Okay, interestingly enough, still trying to hold on here. Let's go over here. Let's go on our 12-minute. So like we said, we're looking for that final trigger wave, right? So we're pushing up in here, higher highs, right? Higher highs. We're looking for that sweep, bearish divergence trigger wave, right? Boom. And that's the money shot, baby. That's the money shot. Not yet, though. Not yet. We wait. We don't want to just get in and sit through price action forever. Okay. Not my style. In and out like a good boy scout. Is that appropriate? It's Friday, baby. Let's go. Let me know how your week was trading this week. I've had a very lucrative week. This has been a good week for me. Last week was questionable. I think I overtraded a little bit last week. I've been crushing it the past couple months, but I think last week I overtraded a little bit. It was like just under break even. I just got a little bit aggressive in a couple days. So you live and you learn. I mean, overall the trend is up, which is good. Managing yourself is very important. Okay. I thought Alex was trying to seduce us with his deep voice. I lost it at the hockey game. So yeah, you're stuck with this. I don't know if this is any better. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. If you haven't hit that like button or subscribed, I would consider. Ovi has a mean slap shot. Crosby is greater than Ovechkin. Oh, I'm Canadian, so I have to agree with that. And Crosby scored the greatest Olympic goal in history, the golden goal. So I will take that too. Well worth it. I consider myself a lifetime member. Slam Banjo, my man. God bless you. Dude, I'm on the 19th. Awesome, man. Awesome. So you always got absolutely slaughtered on March break then, Massey, I'm guessing. Absolute party fest. You got you got St. Patrick's Day. You got long weekend. It's a pretty cool area to have a birthday, I would say. Alex will be at 10K subs in no time. We'll see. No ribs. My grandma makes the best ribs known to man, okay? My grandma, when she prepares them, okay, she boils them, she peels the back off the ribs, okay? And she douses them in this sauce. And like you don't even need to chew. It's basically made for people who don't have teeth. It's so good. What is the skeleton's favorite snack? Ribs? Let's go. You guys are incredible. How much do you recommend trading these short trades? So you should be risking 1% of your account per trade. That is what I suggest. So you do the math. If you have $1,000 account, a $10,000 account, a $100,000 account, you should be risking 1% per trade. I risk 0.6% per trade. I risk 300 to make 900. That is what I risk. Okay? Which is 0.6 of my trading account. 0.6. It's not even a whole percent. So I can take lots of losses. Not that I do, but... And I plan on adding more size eventually. Sometimes I add more size when I'm not trading live. But for now, it's kind of my comfort zone. There's levels to trading, right? Like I'm putting 100K on per trade, right? 100K with leverage. But I've put on 300K on trades, and it's just it's not that it's uncomfortable. It's just a little bit different mindset adjustment, and I don't believe I'm there yet, which is fine. Like it's all a process. Trading is a process. I mean, been trading for just about 3 years now, so there's still time to improve and to add size and it's never ending, right? So I think it's always a great journey to be on with everybody. We're never gonna have all the answers, but it's fun, man. It's fun, and I think the best thing is that it's scalable, right? It's the only job you can come in, practice good risk management, find a winning strategy, and scale, right? You can scale to making a full-time living. I mean, for me, it was hard to replace. I'm a carpenter by trade. I've been building for over 13 years, so replacing my tradesman journeyman salary wasn't easy, right? So it's a journey, man, and it's a fun journey to be on with all you guys, and hopefully we can all benefit from this. As we predicted, decreasing volume into open, okay, absorption. Not losing this low, though. Still quite a battle going on in here to hold this uptrend. Like I said, would love to see this. But we wait. We wait. Thank you, everybody, for being here. You guys are incredible. Moose. I'm calling my wife, by the way. I call my wife Moose. Could I bug you for some more coffee, please? Are you talking to Nana? Hi, Allie. She says, hello, you're right. Hello. You're right. Blimey. Blimey. My wife said Blymanel yesterday. I don't even know what the hell she's talking about. I don't speak that Queen's English, Blymanel. Blymanel. What's Blymanel mean? I looked I was like, what is going on with this? Blymanel. All right, 1 for 1 today. Pretty cool, man. You guys are awesome. Thank you for being here. I just love you all. Discord is well put together. Thank you, Jeffrey. Thank you, Jeffrey. 12 minutes looks so weak. Yeah. Yeah, 24, 12-minute overextension. Money flow is strong here. I want to short it, but we wait. Into a key area, right? Like resistance, liquidity. Just don't want to be trapped here, though. They would love to say go short here. And we could go like half a position size and swing trade it. But yeah, I would like to see one more drive up, even if it's in here. That's what I want to see. Anything like that. Blymanel. Blumenel? Is that how you say it? Blumenel. They have to merge together, though. Blumenel. She said it's Blumenel. Blumenel. It sounds like a really bad, like, Blumenel. Hey, man, you got any of that Blumenel? Crazy. The OC guys in the chat. What's going on, brother? We've already taken a scalp trade this morning without you, man. So good to see you, OC, in the chat, my brother. Are we gonna short this thing back down to literal hell or what? What do you think, OC? He's salmonella free. Okay, he's eating that raw chicken, man. Auto crypto moose coffee. That's the one, man. This is a dad like no otter. If you're wondering what my mug says, it says a dad like no otter, and it's got a picture of an otter. My otter gang mud. I just realized you're wearing a Tool shirt. Yeah, boy. Danny Carey is my dad. No, I wish. They're speaking Harry Potter language. Absolutely. Reaper, did you buy me any toothpaste? You said my teeth look yellow yesterday. Do you have some Crest White strips for me, bro? Let me know, Reaper. I expect you to gift me some Crest White strips. Maybe a whitening thing, or maybe I go get some fake teeth from Turkey. Isn't that where they do hair and teeth? I can get like my hair filled in, so I get like that full on hairline, and I get some white teeth there too. That would be cool, man. I just left my job last Friday to do this full time. Nerve-wracking. Okay. I don't suggest, well, depends how long you've been doing it and what you're looking to do. And replacing income's not easy. I went full-time August last year. Full-time August, okay? And this Discord, like, none of this stuff was monetized until September of 2024. So I did basically a whole year. A whole year by myself trading. No monetization. No, I still did the live streams, yada, 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 but we're traders helping traders. That's what I'm getting at, is that, you know, we're not here to sap away your money. That's why it's $30, really. I mean, the industry standard for a trading group is like minimum $50, $100. Industry standard. Which makes sense. I mean, it is a lucrative profession, right? And people who are trading size, you know, $100 a month. It's a piece of piss, right? We just made $100 in, what was that? 4 seconds? Right? But best of luck, man. Backtest, manage risk. You should have a back-tested strategy that works. And an edge in the market, man. You have to have an edge. You have to have some sort of insight that you've back tested and seen proven results over time. Okay, you have to see that over months. You can't just go in full time, replace income with no data to prove that you can do it. Your account may look like this over time. That's what you want to see, right? Small losses, small wins, big wins, small losses, right? So you never want to see that big loss, right? You don't want to see this shit. That's not good risk management. That's not how it should look. You want to see a nice curve, right? A nice curve. It should look like this. Losing is part of trading. A lot of people don't think they have to win every trade. That's not your job. Your job is to manage risk while putting the probabilities in your favor. If you can do that well, you'll succeed. If you don't, you'll never succeed. You'll never succeed. That's the truth. That's why so many traders don't succeed. Copy trading don't work with scalping. Why don't you copy trading? Why don't you copy trading and take 10% of the wins? To be fair, I don't even know what the hell copy trading is. That's straight up. I don't know what copy trading is. I'll give my ideas, I wish I knew what maybe Tony Soprano can explain what copy trading is to me, because I have no idea. What I trade and then people pay to copy my trades? Nah, man, I'm not going to be responsible for making people too much money. They make their own money. That's like me building you a house and then living in your basement. That's what that sounds like. To me, that's what that sounds like. Is that wrong? Is that a good explanation, Tony Soprano? Smoke some weed and chill out. Only ride, yeah. I used to do that. I used to smoke the cannabis. I do not touch that thing with a 10-foot pole, man. If you want to be unmotivated and fat, and I understand it because Canada, it's a culture, man. Like, I mean, people are smoking weed you walk into the dispensary, it's like buying a beer here. My wife's a St. Patty's Day girl. It's a Pisces, sorry. Billy just dropped a motivational mindset. Awesome. Love crypto, Billy. Dave Digital. Miss you, buddy. Good to see you. Copy trading is bought. Some brokers offer to let you copy trades, and you get what I've seen 10 to 14% profits. Interesting. You get a percent of the profit from the winnings of the copiers when copying. I would throw some money your way if you opened a copy trading account on BloFin. That's interesting. That's interesting. Better than beer. Yeah, alcohol's horrible, man. No, it's like you building their house and then going to work to pay off their mortgage. Yeah, I think and don't get me wrong, like everybody in Canada probably has smoked weed. And if they're saying they haven't, they're probably lying. But I think it's like unless you're like chilling and playing like video games, but that's still like, man, we're supposed to be adults here, right? Bitch mittens. Bitch mittens is when someone wears gloves on a construction site. That's what we call it. Crypto Billy in the chat. What's going on, man? We love Crypto Billy. The only coffee trade here. That's it. That's it. Bear trap. It didn't go all the way up to previous high. So get rejected. This is, yeah, we're not trading this. This is shockingly shite. We took this long in here. That was a good little sweep. Volume came in, right? We saw the volume come in. Easy long. Okay, nice little scalp. Okay, nothing yet though. This is flagging out. Still not mitigating the slow, so there's still some sort of fight, some sort of push in here. Okay? We'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me. We've already taken a trade, so you might want to come a little bit early, wake up a little bit earlier, take this a little bit more seriously. Thank you guys for being here, and gals. Let's not forget the 7% of gals in here. I see you, Melissa. I see you. Thank you for coming through. Maureen. All you great ladies in here. Wick's wife. Wick 589, good to see you, man. Dave Digital, good to see you as well. David Brumbelow. It was a good one this morning, one that I almost never abide by. Tell that to Snoop and Wiz. They're richer than everyone here. Absolutely. Michael Phelps smoked bongs. The guy's got more medals, right? There's a... we can all name people who've done well, who've smoked weed. Whoop-de-doo. If you took a poll, though, and you scoured the earth for all the major cannabis smokers, and you put them all in a room, and you asked them what they did for a living, and you looked at their house and the state of their house, it'd be interesting. It'd be interesting. I promise you that. But no problem with whatever you want to do, man. You guys are all adults, man. You make your decisions. You do it. If it works for you. Smoke away, baby. Smoke away. I smoked cigarettes since I was 15 till I've quit for 4 years now. Almost 3 years or 4 years. I have to ask my wife. So, I mean, I get it. As a carpenter, you're smoking all day long. So... I've been there, done that, got the tickets, right? I mean, quitting smoking was horrendous. Actual cigarettes, so. Copy trading will get your capital wrecked. Absolutely. Finance is huge for copy trading. So we've mitigated this high here. We're looking for this bull pennant breakout, actually. So that, continuation out. This looks like it wants to break, in my opinion. It wants to push up to that high that we were talking about. Okay. Here it goes. Looks like it wants to go. We got market open in 13 minutes. Still lower high, okay? So let's not get all excited just yet. Got some bottoming structure in here, Money flow coming in. 12-minute turning up, VWAP crossover here. VWAP crossover on the 24 as well. Our 1 hour is topping. 2 hours rolling over. 3 hours still got a little bit of room. 4 hours got room. Yeah, so potential pullback. Potential push and pullback. That's what I see right now. Yeah, so we got VWAP crossover, which could play into that idea of mitigating the highs in here, breaking down. Thank you, everybody here, for being here on the live. I'm not talking as much, and my energy sounds different, but it's not. It's just I lost my voice at the hockey game, so you got to put up with it if you want to hang out. I appreciate everybody for being here. God bless you guys. Hopefully you've had a great week. I mean, up and away. A lot of people saying this is the highest I've ever seen trading this week. So I think you guys have all made lots of profits this week. So that's good. We've had some great calls on the live. Some good money-making machines in here. We've called the bottom yesterday. That was pretty awesome. You guys are incredible. Good to see everybody in here. Cigarettes is a huge one. Obama smokes weed. You guys are. Yeah. Back to my slave job. Andrew Cameron, slave break. Good to see you, bro. Lunar Beach's crypto in the chat. What's going on? Good to see you. For those big yellow otter teeth. Thank you, Reaper. I think that's the amount of coffee I drink. That's okay, man. I appreciate your honesty and my big yellow teeth. Cheese. Does anyone know someone that made bank with copy trading the trader and the exchange and the rest gets wrecked? Yeah. Kyle sometimes does copy trading bots. That's cool, man. Don't do it. I know lots of people who smoke responsibly too. Absolutely, Luke Zaldana. Absolutely. I'm in the U.S. BloFin locked me out. Okay. That's weird. Close it. Close it. Transfer your money out. Find something else. Sober 15 months. Used everything under the sun. Yep. That's awesome. I'm just over 5 years sober now, so I get that. I used to party and all that good stuff too, man. So married with a family now. Best thing I did. So that's awesome, Anonymous. I'm proud of you, man. Keep it up. 15 months sober. Good life choices, man. That's positive, bro. That's positive. Been there, done that, bro. So it's awesome to see. I know Lunar Beaches quit drinking as well, man. That's awesome. So, I mean, it's great for anybody, right? If it's causing problems in your life, you got to be able to identify that and change, right? That's the thing. That's the thing. I had 4 cigarettes at New Year. My wife wasn't impressed. Uh-oh. Yeah. Can't. I mean, I was a pack a day smoker. Lucid dreams. We end up talking about drugs and alcohol, food, or if pineapple goes on pizza every morning. You guys are good times, man. Good times. You guys are incredible. I think we need to bust a dad joke to kind of. Your teeth are fine, brother. Thank you. I appreciate that, Pink. I mean, I brush my teeth every day, twice a day. I floss, all that good stuff, you know. Smoking and coffee. I mean, what else do you expect? Hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. That sounds like a grade 9 science experiment that's gonna go wrong on with my beautiful non-pearly whites. All right, we're coming into market open here. Just taking a quick scan. Nasdaq's ripping to the upside right now. Nice move, breaking out of this downtrend. This is great. When you get something like this, okay, you're looking for a retest continuation. Generally, not saying that's going to give it to people, but that's what I'd be looking for into this inauguration on Monday. Okay, it's going to be a fun stream on Monday. Maybe we go a little bit longer and a little bit stronger. Okay, just like my voice today. So this is a nice break. Looking good for the Nasdaq. Continuation to the upside. The S&P. What do we expect? We also have this downwards trend line. So are we going to break? Right, that is the question for today. Can we get above here? And maybe close around here? We'll see. We'll see. Can we gap up? Most likely. Okay, the Dixie. Still ripping to the upside. We want to see the Dixie roll over. Nothing as of yet. Okay, so interesting. The NASDAQ. Oof. 1% move to the moon. That's pretty exciting for NASDAQ. I mean, we're up 6% overnight on Bitcoin, so trade what you want. We like the volatility over here in the degenerate crypto world. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live with me, hanging out. We got 444 people in here, 197 likes. If you wouldn't mind smashing that like button, subscribing. If you are new, we're almost at 5,900, almost at 6,000 subs, man. We got 99 more, and a subscriber ain't one. We just hit 5,900, so thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. Hopefully we can get to, we said we would shave our beard if we get to 10K by the end of January. I don't see that happening, but it's up to you guys if you want to share it out, all that good stuff. This is looking like it wants to break here to the upside. No trade. We took one scalp already. Nice little quick one here. 0.4% trade. Looking for a continuation upwards here. Okay, sweep of the highs. Sweep. Break down, baby. Break down. We'll see what we get. It's always an exciting time here on the live. We're a little bit mellow yellow today, but thank you everybody for being here. We lost our voice at the hockey game yesterday, so you guys got to put up with Barry White today. Okay, we got a bunch of chemists in here. Good morning, Alexandra G. Oh my God, how you been? We were all worried about you, Alexandra G. Let us know. I know you're probably driving right now, but we were thinking about you. We miss you, and we love you. Alex, do you have anything for analysis paralysis if it isn't weed? I don't have FOMO. I have FOMO, fear of messing up. Yeah, I mean, that chronic, bombonic, Rastafanic, getting high up on it. You gotta be clear-headed, bro. I think you don't mess up, man. You just, I think it's just experience, and time will tell. Manage your risk and stay level-headed. New subscriber here. Love the energy. Instant fan. Much love and blessings today for everyone in the crypto today. Alex Pins, thank you so much, man. I like the mushroom. Yahoo! I'm going to win. Thank you for subscribing. Good to see you. Glad to have you. Quitting is for quitters. You guys are incredible. Ondo TA, please. Lucid Dreams will do it. VWAP crossover. We got a VWAP video on the channel if you want to go and check out VWAP crossovers. We got VWAP crossover on the market cipher here. So you can see here the yellow line is the VWAP crossing over the 0 line, typically bullish. Okay. 24, same thing. Approaching the 0 line. Money flow coming in. Looking for a continuation. Okay. All that good stuff. Stalling out here. Market opens in 2.5 minutes. Thank you everybody for being here, subscribing if you are new. We've already taken one trade. Right now, Bitcoin really stalling out. Trapping traders. We're not one of those. Okay. Kind of a decision-making point here. Looking to break out of this wee little triangle here. Breakout, retest, continuation possibly. Something like this, but not taking this trade. It's not for me. No confluence, no volume, nothing I'm interested in, okay? Can easily just roll over here. I'm holding this low, which is strong, but you want to be patient here. Thank you, everybody, for subscribing, hanging out. Much love to every single one of you guys. It's always a good time. Just waiting for price to materialize. That's it. Trading is waiting. Trading is waiting. I want to learn how to make my own trading bot. Let's go, Toaster. You can do it. 14 years sober, Luke Zaldana. That's incredible, bro. That's incredible, man. 6 years cigarette free. Let's go, Jeffrey. Awesome. Is it ham or Canadian bacon? It's got to be Canadian bacon, baby. That maple bacon, baby. That's the good stuff. Let's go. We do recover. John Foster crypto. There we go, man. That's cool. If you had a tan, your teeth would look whiter. Dude, I tan well, Paul Caruso. I got that Italian skin. So maybe I got to just go out and get away from the circle light and get some sun. 6 months sober. Trade intuition. Decided to stop due to the bad choices it led to. Awesome. Awesome. Slam banjo. Oh, you guys are incredible. Hydrogen peroxide is safe to drink, actually. And my girl, she gargles with it every morning, and she has super white teeth. That's wild. That's wild. Did you know that your pupils are the last thing to stop working when you die? They dilate. Yes. Yes. That's the dad joke of the day. Wifey loves this song from Clap Your Hands, Say Yeah, called The Skin of My Yellow Country Teeth. Y'all would dig it. She listens to good music you probably haven't heard of. That would be cool, man. The true OG, good morning. Alexandra G, how you doing? Trade intuition in the chat. God bless you. Rolling over here. Okay, market is opening, baby. Opening. Let's see the S&P gapping up as predicted. Okay, as predicted. Getting above this trend line, rolling over a little bit right now. Bitcoin dumping, baby. Bitcoin dumping. So that's why we didn't take that trade. You see, it's very unpredictable. So coming down, sweeping the lows in here. Trapped longs. Okay, good close on that quick little short here. Okay, creating a little bit of structure. My volume coming in here, coming down to wreckage. Here comes the wreckage. Looking down at VWAP now. We have broken that low. Okay, so now we can look for the retest. Getting rid of this line in here. We look for the retest back in. Retesting the lows. No trade yet. Just trading is waiting, baby. Still holding this low. This is our next low to mitigate. Just being patient here. We'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 450 people in here. 221 likes. We'll see if we do continue to push. Bitcoin is ripping. Okay, this is good times. NASDAQ flying off the wazoo. S&P opening up bullish. We'll see how this wants to react right here. No trade as of yet. Just patience. We have taken one long off the low in here. A quick little scalperelli. Volume coming into the market right now, rolling over. We'll see how that transpires. Okay, getting bought up quite aggressively here. Nice little buy up. Wow. Wow, that was a sweep and push. Okay. No trade yet. Just let this thing settle. Let this thing settle. This could be a retest of the trend line breaking back down. Right? Retest of the trend line breaking back down. Nothing yet. I do see bullish momentum in here. This could be just a sweep and a continuation up. So let's be patient here. I might take a stab long here, considering a long here. Not yet, though. Okay, patience. I like that buy up. That buy up was really aggressive. Wow. This is very aggressive right now. Very aggressive. I am not in a trade yet, just waiting. A very aggressive buy up here. Major volume coming in on this candle. Pushing price to the moon. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Okay, sweeping the highs as we speak. Sweeping the highs. No trade yet. Looking to get on this thing. Retest the previous highs. Can we come back down? Retest the previous highs in here. Coming back down now. Looking to possibly get long here. Getting long. Getting long. Getting long. Let's go, baby. Push Bitcoin. Push, baby. Let's go. We got to go. I'm in. Wow. Sweep again. Sweep again. Coming right back against us here. Stop loss is below these lows here. Will it continue, man? This is very volatile. Very volatile. Wow. I could have, should have, would have, didn't. Stop loss is below the lows in here. Fading is waiting, baby. Fading is waiting. We'll see if we do push. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Gotta go. I'm going to take half off here. Taking half off. Fill me, baby. You stupid. I took half off, mitigating risk. Stop loss is here. Looking for a continuation here. Let's go, Bitcoin. Push, baby. That's the strength here. Next target, all the way up at 103.5. Half a position still on here. Looking to go. Looking to go. Can we continue? Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby. All right, I'm taking some off there. Stop loss to entry. GG's. GG's, everybody. Stop loss to entry, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Shed it to you guys. Shed it to the other gang, gang, gang. Let's go. We up 180 bucks here. We are, I would say, 65% out of this trade. 506 people on the live, baby. We making the money. We making the money. Let's see if we want to continue here. Stop loss at entry. Quick 180. I'm going to do a half a spin right now. Half a spin. A quick 180. So far, so good. Shed it to you guys. Shed it to the other gang, 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 gang. $180 realized profit. Can we continue to push? Let's see, baby. Easy money. Easy money, man. Wild price action. Easy money. Sweeping those highs. Sorry, Darren does things, bro. 90-minute SFP. Shed it to you guys. Shed it to the outer gang. You guys be taking these trades, man. Making money. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, coming back at us here. Coming back at us. That's fine. If we do get stopped out, we've realized some profits, baby. You guys are credible. We already in the long. Let's see if it does want to continue to push. You got bullish bias on the NASDAQ. You got bullish bias on the S&P. Flipping this high. Holding that support. Bitcoin's ripping, baby. Don't fade the Bitcoin. Don't fade the Bitcoin. We'll see if we do get up into our 103 area. If we do come back, that's fine. I mean, we've already guaranteed some profits. Okay, looks like it does want to give everybody a free ride. Okay, not everybody. What a sweet wick down below. You know, it's hard to justify getting in on this wick, but at the end of the day, we know the momentum. The trend is our friend. Okay, coming back in. Oh, it's about to knock us out here. I'm going to close that. Okay, I've closed this trade. Quick 180. We are getting that bearish divergence we were talking about. Okay, so let's not be too excited here. That's why we take profits along the way. This thing can still rip. I'm out of the trade now. GG's to everybody who took that trade. A little bit of a ballsy trade here. A ballsy trade. I don't know if they call that ballsy or just crazy. But we took it. $183 USD. All right, now it's coming back down. Remember, we said sweep of the highs. Bearish divergence is the concern right now. So you can see here, you're getting their bear divs. Sweep of the highs at a key level of resistance. Very bearish. Okay, so make sure you guys are paying yourselves on these trades, right? We're not here to mess around. Managing risk is your number one job, right? I mean, you could still be in this. This thing could still continue to rip, okay? But your job is to take some money out of the market. The market will humble you otherwise. Congratulations, everybody, if you did take that long. We'll see if we do continue here. Lots of volatility on that. Oh, man. Let's go. See if we want to keep going here. Very possible. You guys are incredible. My man flexing with $180 missing every day. 10 trades and saying, man, I should have taken that trade. That's the one, TD. Thank you for being here, man. Hopefully you find some peace. Much love to you, bro. God bless you. We'll see if we continue to push here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 510 people here, 230 likes. You guys are incredible. Trading is waiting, but sometimes you got to pounce, right? We'll see how it materializes for this. This is, we're toppy here. We're up to previous highs. Zooming out, just understanding that, hey, we could easily come down from here. Let's just be patient. Let's see what happens. I don't know how we missed 10 trades there, but, some people seem to think so. That's okay. BloFin fees are insane. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. How much fees did you pay for an 180 win? So we limited in both ways. So I'm a limiting in kind of person here. You look at the fees in total right there. So you got $23 trading fees, $207 closing P&L. Okay. Limiting in, limiting out. Okay. Look at this rollover, man. Yee! That was the short. That was the short that we were looking for. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Crypto Mike, good to see you. Mickey, good to see you. Good morning, Tamale. Good morning, Dave Digital. Good to see you, Ricky. Jimbo Jones. Okay, nice sweep in here. Spoon, good morning to you. R Pink, good to see you as well. Look at this rollover, man. This is nasty dump. This is a nasty dump. So if we lose these lows here, we can be looking for a retest back in here for a lower high. Impossible continuation down. Lots of liquidity below us, right? So could this be the top? Possibly. I just want to take it with some safety, right? We could definitely put on half a position and look for more of a swing trade down coming into VWAP at least. 101.8 is where VWAP resides. So nothing yet. Okay. Trapping the bulls in here, right? That's why we took our profits and ran. Good close as well. So, really, maximizing our trades today, might have wanted to catch that short. We were talking about it. Didn't take it, but that's fine. We took the long and then obviously caught up in the absolute chaos of the market open here. So we'll see how this materializes. This looks like it's definitely coming down to these lows in here. Minimum, we do have a key level of support here at 102. Psychological level as well. I'll see if we hold this here. Beautiful, beautiful day. It's happy Friday, everybody. Thank you guys so much for being here, hanging out with the gang. Good to see you. Good to see you. Shiba Inu, looking good. That's awesome, man. Robert Jones says I need a haircut. Yeah, man, I do, bro. I think I'll get one next week. I'm looking awfully gray, man. I'm looking awfully gray, bro. I definitely need to get a little bit of a snip. my grandma says I lower my ears because you get the fade or whatever. Probably another account of Ludwig still coming back every day to watch. Yeah, it's probably true, bro. Oh man, not bad fees though. Yeah. Thanks for going live and educating. No, I appreciate you, dude. I appreciate you, man. I want to short so badly. Yeah, I get it, man. I want to short it too, man. This is just like the amount of liquidity below us is absolutely insane. Like this is just begging to be shorted, like all the way through here. Like it's crazy. This is not healthy, in my opinion. We're gonna get the inauguration. It's just gonna be like zero. We take what's in front of us, though. Look at this, man. Being bought up again, man. Being bought up again. This is wild. Look at this thing. Look at it go, man. That's wild. This is stupid price action. Is anybody, I mean, woof. Are we going to take the short? Are we going to take the short, friends? What are we, stop loss above the high here? Half a position? We've had 2 wins today. Are we going to risk it for the biscuit? Are we going to fade this thing? If you had one shot, one opportunity. I'm not doing it. There's no way. You guys are crazy. You guys going to fade this pump? We can go a quarter position size, okay? We'll put 25 grand on this thing. Nah, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. That's bad. That's bad practice, man. You guys are giving me Friday FOMO. Friday FOMO, okay? We'll pretend we took the short here, okay? You're giving me Friday FOMO. Thank you everybody for being in here. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. We'd love for you to join us here, hang out with us. We do have an amazing community, the Otter Gang, the only gang. Look at this. It's gonna go down now. It's gonna go down now. If you do want to take your trading a little bit further, we have an amazing Discord. $30 a month, $1 a day. Sale is on right now. Come over and hang out. 4 traders, amazing group of traders, amazing group of people. Live streams, trade setups. Watch the video. 4 traders. Brewberry going live right now. He goes live doing your altcoins and all that stuff. Kyle, trade setups, amazing. Thesis, trade setups, amazing. Just an amazing group of people. $1 a day keeps the dentist away. Shout out to the yellow teeth. That's me. And a great group of people. Great group of people. We'd love for you to come over and hang out in the Discord. There is a free section as well. If you want to get your feet wet, just come over to the free section, say hello. The requirement, though, in the free section is that you have to come in here and go at Tony Soprano. That's the first thing you do. And you ask him, hey, man, what's the weather like up there? Because I think he's like over 6'2" or something. I'm 5'4", so I'm always curious what is the air quality better up there? So go and ask Tony what the weather is like up there. He would love to answer you. He's very, very knowledgeable. I think he should be what are those weather people called? Liars. That's what they're called. Oh, we should have taken this short. We're gonna regret this one, guys and gals. We're gonna regret this short here. Thank you everybody for being here on the live with me. We're gonna regret this one. What's the bet? What's the bet? Tony Soprano's gonna kill me. Oh man. Oh man. Thank you everybody for being here. Too late. It did its thing. Yeah. Gonna be upset about this one if it gets away, but you know what? Let's jump into the minutia here. Let's zoom in a little bit, see what we can find. Okay. Zipping, right? Rip saw. Look at this breakout retest of the trend line on our beautiful NASDAQ holding here on the S&P. Okay, so that's good. That's good. Hold if it holds here, that's still bullish for Bitcoin. Okay, so you know NASDAQ trades very similarly to Bitcoin. That's why we look at it. Okay, very Bitcoin's like a leveraged NASDAQ. That's how I would look at it. Okay, direction wise, very similar. Okay, I mean we could overlay it if we wanted. Why isn't the NQ popping up? Oh, I'm not on stocks. NQ new price scale. I guess you'd have to give it a different scale. Anyways, very similar. Rolling over here. We'll see if we do I guess that was a short, man. We called that short, but no trade there. Bottoming structure in here. Look at the battle, right? So this is, you know, very much getting bought up, but also a brick wall up here. So interesting to say the least. Let's go to the 1 minute. Yeah, look at this thing, man. This is chop suey. Okay, so we got the little long in here. That was good. This was where the short was. No mitigation of this low in here. If we do lose this low in here, we come down in here. We got VWAP though. VWAP's quite close now. So even if we lose this low here, we could look for the long off of VWAP support level. Another option. Many options here. It's just getting direction is so important in these situations. Okay, so that pushed through. That was a good little long. This looks like it wants to push back. Let's get rid of this momentum. The momentum has been chopped through right now. So no trade. Waiting for price to really establish direction. Okay, and this is not fun. Let's keep it that way. Let's not say this is good or bad. It's just not something I want to participate in right now. Okay. 500 people on the live, man. This is quite incredible. Thank you everybody for being here. You guys are awesome. I do appreciate you guys. The price action's too wild, even for Sniper's Nightmare. There you go. Look at that. So it's a good thing we didn't take that short right there. We can celebrate that is a victory. Look at the pump, man. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy. Welcome to crypto. Welcome to the show. I'm looking at XRP long, possibly, just so you XRP army people are informed. Okay. I was looking at this morning. I like this structure in here. We got bullish divergence down here on the XRP long for all the people. Little swing long. XRP is absolutely stupidly bullish right now, so jump on that trend possibly. If Bitcoin keeps ripping, you know it's going to happen to the altcoins, right? Look at this. Matic's up 7%. That's crazy, man. Injective up 8%. Rune up 15%. Incredible, okay? We got Pendle, 15%. Render, 5%. BitTensor, 9%. We even have the Shiba up 10%. And the Popcat up 18%, okay? So things are popping off. Pretty awesome. That means dominance must be coming down. And it is. Oh, dominance is flat. That's interesting. But we do have that breakdown structure on dominance that we were talking about earlier. So rotation, as we say. Incredible live. No trade. This is just Scam wickety wickety. Thank you everybody for subscribing, hanging out with me this morning. You guys are incredible. We're always having a great time here, Monday to Friday. Much love to every single one of you guys in the chat. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Two good trades today. I mean, good fun. We've had a very successful week. It's been a pleasure hanging out with you guys. Come over in the Discord and hang out. We'd love to see you there. You guys are incredible. Thank you for supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys. It's always good fun. Have a wonderful day. Use good risk management. Have a wonderful weekend. Touch some grass. I'll see you guys on Monday. Inauguration, baby. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to